This is the control system steady-state error interactive calculator, which determines the steady-state error for different input types and control systems. The calculator has two drop-down menus. First, the calculation mode offers 6 options: step input error, ramp input error, parabolic input error, calculate error, constant from transfer function, determine system type from poles at origin, and required gain for target error. For this demo, I've selected step input error. Second, the input type dropdown has step, ramp, and parabolic options, with step currently selected. For the input fields, I'll enter system type as 0, position error constant Kp as 10, and step input magnitude as 1. After clicking Calculate Steady-State Error, the calculator provides the steady-state error value for our Type 0 system with these parameters. This tells us the final deviation between the desired and actual output after transients have died out. For a Type 0 system with a step input, the error depends directly on the position error constant. A higher Kp means lower steady-state error, which is crucial for precision control applications. For a Type 0 system with a step input, the error depends directly on the position error constant. A higher Kp means lower steady-state error, which is crucial for precision control applications. Find the link in the description below.